Hello, and welcome to Craft Catalog. Stop throwing away your small wood scraps and stop buying expensive storage bins that never actually solve the problem. Most woodworkers believe they don't have enough space, but the real issue is not space. It's the way that space is used. Flat surfaces get crowded, corners get ignored, and walls stay empty while your floor and bench slowly disappear under piles of wood. What you actually need is not more space, but better use of vertical space. In this video, we're going to completely rethink how scrap wood is stored. We'll build 12 vertical scrap wood storage systems using nothing but offcuts and simple techniques. These systems are designed specifically for small workshops, tight garages, and anyone working on a budget. The goal is simple. Take what you already have and turn it into a clean, organized, and efficient workspace. If you've ever looked around your workshop and felt overwhelmed by scraps, small pieces here, long pieces there, nothing in order, you're not alone. Scrap wood is one of the hardest things to manage because it comes in different sizes, shapes, and thicknesses. Without a system, it becomes clutter very quickly. But here's the key shift. Scrap wood is not waste, it's inventory. And like any inventory, it needs to be organized in a way that makes it easy to see, easy to access, and easy to use. Let's start with the first system, the French Cleat pocket wall. This system transforms your wall into a fully adjustable storage platform. A French cleat is simply a pair of angled wooden strips that lock together, one attached to the wall, the other attached to storage units. By building small wooden pockets from scrap and mounting them on cleats, you create a modular system where each pocket can hold a different category of scrap. The real advantage here is flexibility. As your scrap collection changes, you can move pockets, add new ones, or remove them entirely. You're not locked into a fixed layout. Instead, your storage evolves with your workflow. This system works especially well for medium-sized pieces that don't fit neatly into bins. The second system is the vertical slot rack. This is one of the most efficient ways to organize scrap wood by size. By creating a series of vertical dividers, you form narrow slots where boards can stand upright. Each slot becomes a category: thin strips, medium boards, larger offcuts. The key benefit of this system is visibility. Instead of stacking wood horizontally and hiding pieces underneath each other, every piece is visible from the top. You can quickly scan your options and pick exactly what you need without moving anything else. Another important detail is spacing. The slots should be narrow enough to support the wood, but wide enough to allow easy access. This balance makes the system both stable and practical. If you're finding this helpful, take a moment to subscribe to Craft Catalog. We focus on practical systems that make your workshop more efficient without adding unnecessary cost. The third system is the Dowel tower organizer. This design is ideal for irregular scraps that don't fit neatly into racks or bins. By mounting a grid of vertical dowels onto a base or wall, you create flexible compartments where pieces can be dropped in and held upright. The beauty of this system is its adaptability. The dowels don't define fixed spaces. Instead, they create boundaries that adjust naturally to the shape of the wood. This makes it perfect for offcuts of varying sizes and shapes. It also allows airflow and visibility, which helps prevent the pile-up effect that often happens in closed containers. The fourth system is the wall-mounted crate system. This approach uses simple wooden boxes or crates attached vertically to the wall. Each crate becomes a container for a specific type of scrap: short blocks, thin strips, or leftover cutoffs. What makes this system effective is separation. Instead of mixing everything together, you create categories. This reduces the time spent searching and increases the likelihood that you'll actually use your scraps. It's also easy to build. Crates can be made from scrap plywood or assembled from leftover boards, making this a low-cost solution with high impact. The fifth system is the hanging clamp-style holder. This design focuses on vertical pressure rather than containment. Two surfaces hold wood pieces in place using friction or tension, allowing longer scraps to stand upright securely. This is especially useful for narrow boards or longer offcuts that don't fit well in bins or racks. By keeping them vertical and supported, you prevent bending and reduce clutter. The sixth system is the sliding vertical panel rack. This system is designed for larger scraps, especially flat panels. Instead of stacking them, you store them vertically in a sliding rack, similar to files in a cabinet. Each panel has its own space, making it easy to pull out one piece without disturbing the others. This not only saves time, but also prevents damage. The sliding feature adds efficiency. You can access materials quickly, even in tight spaces, without needing to move heavy stacks. The seventh system is the pegboard scrap holder. Pegboards are often used for tools, but they can also be adapted for scrap storage. By adding custom hooks, shelves, or brackets, you create a flexible system for holding small wood pieces vertically. The advantage here is adjustability. You can reposition hooks and supports as needed, allowing the system to change with your storage needs. This is particularly useful for lightweight scraps and frequently used pieces. The eighth system is the narrow wall bin system. This design makes use of tight spaces that are often ignored, such as the gaps between machines or along narrow walls. By building slim vertical bins, you create storage where there was none before. These bins are perfect for small offcuts and thin strips. Because they're narrow, they prevent overfilling and keep contents organized. The ninth system is the rotating vertical rack. This system introduces movement into your storage. A vertical structure mounted on a rotating base allows access from all sides without increasing the footprint. This is especially useful in very small workshops where every inch matters. Instead of walking around storage, you bring the storage to you. It also adds a level of convenience that improves workflow. The 10th system is the corner vertical storage unit. Corners are often wasted space in workshops. This system transforms those areas into functional storage zones. By building a vertical rack that fits into a corner, you utilize space that would otherwise go unused. This is ideal for longer pieces or grouped categories of scrap. The 11th system is the layered shelf rack. This design combines vertical stacking with separation. Multiple levels of shelves hold scraps at different heights, allowing you to organize by size or type. The key here is accessibility. Each layer should be shallow enough to prevent deep stacking, ensuring that every piece remains visible. This system works well for medium-sized scraps that need structure without being confined. The 12th and final system is the hybrid cleat and bin system. This combines the flexibility of French cleats with the simplicity of bins. You create removable storage containers that can be rearranged across a cleat wall. This gives you the best of both worlds, structured storage with full adaptability. As your needs change, you simply move or replace bins. What makes all 12 of these systems effective is not complexity, but intention. Each one solves a specific problem: visibility, accessibility, or space efficiency. As you begin to apply these ideas, you'll notice a major shift. Your workshop starts to feel larger, not because it has more space, but because it uses space more intelligently. Another important benefit is usability. When your scraps are organized and visible, you are far more likely to use them. This reduces waste and encourages creativity. Instead of buying new materials, you start building for what you already have. If you've made it this far, take a moment to like the video and tell us which of these systems you would build first. Your feedback helps us create more content that fits your needs. Consistency is also key. Even the best system won't work if it's not maintained. The goal is to create habits, returning scraps to their place, keeping categories clear, and avoiding overfilling. Over time, this becomes automatic. Another factor is layout. Placing frequently used materials within easy reach improves efficiency, while less used scraps can be stored higher or further away. This creates a workflow that supports your projects instead of slowing them down. By the end of this video, it should be clear that organization is not about buying more. It's about designing smarter systems. With a few simple ideas and some scrap wood, you can transform your workshop into a space that is clean, efficient, and ready for any project. Before we wrap up, don't forget to subscribe to Craft Catalog for more practical woodworking ideas, smart storage solutions, and simple ways to improve your workspace. Thank you for watching, and we hope this helps you turn your scrap wood into a system that truly works for you. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.